Want to make money doing what you love? 99designs might be your answer. It's a platform connecting businesses with talented designers. You can earn by creating winning designs for clients worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, 99designs offers opportunities. Logo design, website creation, even merchandise, it's all there. Ready to turn your creativity into cash? Let's dive in. Getting started is easy. Head to 99designs and click sign up. You can use your email or connect through your Google or Facebook account. Next, build your profile. This is your first impression on potential clients. Showcase your skills clearly. Upload your best work. A well-crafted portfolio is key. Be detailed in your profile description, list your expertise, mention your design software skills. Don't forget to set your availability and desired payment rates. 99designs primarily operates on a contest system, which is a unique and engaging way for designers to showcase their creativity and skills. Clients post design briefs outlining their needs, providing a clear direction for the project. This includes their budget, desired style, and any specific requirements they might have. You then submit your design concepts, bringing your unique vision to life. There are various contest categories to explore. Logo design is particularly popular among clients. Website and app design are also in high demand, offering numerous opportunities for digital designers. You'll also find projects for book covers, packaging, and more, catering to a wide range of design specialties. Browse categories that match your skills and interests. Read contest briefs carefully to understand the project scope. It's crucial to understand the client's vision before starting. This ensures your design aligns with their expectations. This increases your chances of success and client satisfaction, leading to more opportunities and positive feedback. Building a strong portfolio and networking within the community can further enhance your career prospects. Continuous learning and collaboration with other designers can help you stay ahead in the competitive design industry. Embrace the creative journey and enjoy the process of bringing ideas to life. Your design playground is full of endless possibilities. Section 4. Winning Strategies. Tips for Design Triumph. In this section, we will explore essential strategies that can help you stand out and succeed in the competitive world of design. Winning on 99designs requires more than just design talent. It's crucial to understand the platform's dynamics and how it operates. Research your competition thoroughly. Look at what successful designers are doing and learn from their portfolios. Deliver designs that are both creative and client-focused. Creativity is important, but aligning your designs with the client's vision and needs is what truly makes a difference. Always aim to exceed client expectations. Pay close attention to client briefs. These documents are your roadmap to success. They contain vital information about what the client wants and expects from your design. Note their preferred styles and color palettes. Understanding the client's aesthetic preferences can help you tailor your designs to their liking, increasing your chances of winning the project. If you have questions, ask. Communication is key. Don't hesitate to reach out to the client for clarification. Clear communication can prevent misunderstandings and ensure that you are on the right track. Don't be afraid to experiment. Offer multiple design concepts. This showcases your versatility and creativity. Providing a variety of options can help the client see the potential in your work and choose the best fit for their needs. Be open to feedback and incorporate client suggestions. Feedback is an opportunity to improve and refine your designs. Embrace it and use it to create a final product that both you and the client are proud of. Section 5. Success Stories. Inspiration from 99design Stars. In this segment, we delve into the journeys of some of the most successful designers on the platform. Their stories are not just about financial success, but also about personal growth, creativity, and the impact they've made in the design community. Many designers have found success on 99designs. These talented individuals have leveraged the platform to showcase their skills, connect with clients from around the world, and build thriving careers. The opportunities here are vast and varied, catering to different styles and specialties. They've built businesses, gained recognition, and earned significant income. From winning prestigious awards to celebrating personal milestones, these designers have proven that with dedication and hard work, success is within reach. Their achievements are a testament to the power of perseverance and creativity. These stories can inspire you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your design career to the next level, the experiences of these designers can provide valuable insights and motivation. Their journeys highlight the importance of continuous learning, collaboration, and staying true to one's unique vision. Take Logo Dust, for example. This designer has not only mastered the art of logo design but has also built a strong brand presence on 99designs. Their portfolio is a reflection of their creativity and commitment to excellence. This designer has earned over $1 million on the platform. Their success is a result of consistently delivering high-quality designs that meet and exceed client expectations. It's a journey of passion, skill, and strategic thinking. Their secret? Understanding client needs and delivering exceptional designs. By focusing on clear communication, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of the client's vision, Logo Dust has built a reputation for reliability and creativity. Another success story is Design Ninja. Starting with humble beginnings, this designer has shown that persistence and hard work can lead to remarkable growth. Their journey is a perfect example of how small steps can lead to big achievements. They started small, but grew their client base through hard work and dedication. By consistently delivering quality work and building strong client relationships, Design Ninja has expanded their reach and influence in the design community. Now, they're a top-rated designer on 99designs. Their story is a powerful reminder that success is not just about talent, but also about perseverance, continuous improvement, and a commitment to excellence. These designers' stories are a source of inspiration for anyone looking to make their mark in the world of design. Section 6. Payment and Verification. Getting your hard-earned rewards. Once you win a contest, payment is secure. 99designs holds the client's funds. Upon finalizing the design and transferring copyright, you receive payment. You can choose your preferred payment method. Options include PayPal, Skrill, and Payoneer. 99designs ensures timely payments for completed projects. To ensure fairness, 99designs has a designer verification process. This usually involves submitting identification documents. It builds trust within the platform. Section 7. Conclusion. Your design future awaits on 99designs. 99designs provides a platform for designers of all levels. Whether you're looking for side income or aiming to build a design career, it's worth exploring. The key is to be proactive. Create a compelling profile, participate in contests, and deliver high-quality designs. With dedication, you can succeed on 99designs. So why wait? Unleash your creativity, showcase your talent, and start earning on 99designs today.